Hello and welcome to this video about the Harman Kardon HD740. I bought this player because I thought it is a good solid mid-range player. What makes it mid-range? Well, it's not high-end because the voltage regulation is only down on a couple of regulators, so that's sort of disqualifies it from high-end. But why it is in a low-end? Well, it has a Sanyo pickup SF-P101, that's for starters. The board, as you see, is made by C.E.C, which is a maker of, it's a division of Sanyo, but maker of good transports. And what's more important, uses a couple of PCM-1702. These are Burr-Brown laser trimmed resistor ladder DACs. They're very good. So, so I thought that that could be a well-sounding player. When it arrived, the first thing I've noticed is that it came, well, pack and sin. Pack and sin, some people believe they're very good. Well, I'm not that sure now, because if you look at that, I mean, the fact that it's a second-hand box doesn't really mean anything. But it was only wrapped in 3 layers of thin bubble wrap. And what's really bad was that it traveled to me from Sydney, that's 4,500 kilometers, upside down. Well, somebody either put the address stickers on the wrong side or basically inserted the player wrong way around. I mean, it does say which way it should go up. So I think the player was just inserted, wrong way around, and that's where the problem was. So if you see my video and you see that the player is not playing, it means that it can't. So when I received it and I fired it up, the drawer was going in and out, but neither would turntable move, nor the laser would fire up or hunt for focus. And the drawer really, if you waited for a bit longer, would come out. So that is a classic limit switch problem. Okay, the servo doesn't know where the drawer is and spits it out as a fault condition. So it was too late yesterday to make a video, so I fired it up today, and the turntable was spinning and the laser was firing and hunting for focus, but the drawer wouldn't come out. So that quickly led me to believe that it has suffered a problem where one of those connectors, mainly one of those 3, doesn't mate properly with the board. So I started testing them, and quickly I found out that that one there, as you see, is really broken off. And that's when I moved it to that position, the drawer would come out. So I knew that that's the problem. So really that needs to be soldered. So this is just a tale of warning. When you ship things, do not put CD players or anything, but CD players in particular upside down. CD players, because they're electromechanical devices, and sometimes the laser lens just sits there. It should be normally bonded to the rest, but sometimes it isn't. And if you flip it upside down, it will fall out. I mean, you can still put it in, but if you don't, I had the situation that happened in transport with Pioneer player, and it arrived faulty, and of course the owner, instead of just putting in the thing, dismantled the whole mechanism and broke things. So it took a lot of doing to actually fix it. But anyway, thank you for your time, and sorry about this incoherent rant. I'll see what the seller of this unit wants to do about it, and it will probably take an hour labor, not much more, because to remove it, I mean, there's a backplane connectors to be undone, but that looks fairly straightforward to me. Just that connector, it's the last legs. Thank you very much. Bye.